throughout your career. Obviously, Pitchko, David Haye, Cabrat Pulev recently, and we know this is a fight that you fancy big time.
First of all, I'd say thanks a lot to everybody who came and support the sport I love and the sport you guys love as well. To all the journalists, give a shout out to Erdogan, Team Sergeant for making this fight happen. It's a big day for most fighters on this bill on the 10th of December in Manchester. For me, I've lost 6 fights. People write me off. Well, no, you can't write me off because I'm like the herpes. One minute I'm gone. 1 minute I pop back up. You know what I'm saying? So. It's like you got to see the doctor, you get a pill, and I disappear, and then suddenly I come back up. It is what it is. Talk about my opponent. There's nothing much I'm scared of my opponent because he don't bring much to the table. He's got brute selection punches, which is okay, but he hasn't got power punches, which can scare me. So I'm looking forward to the fight. Being done, we go back together. But when we split, it was like a mutual split, and I told him one day we'll do it again. And now we're back together. Can't wait.
Obviously, we know you like the build-ups to fight, but also you know boxing inside out. How do you see the fight playing out on December the 10th?
All I see is Dylan on the canvas. He's going to go on the canvas.
Derek Chisora by knockout?
Yeah.